Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer EVgo account and payment profile step by step clearly. To transfer your EVgo account and payment profile, start by accessing the EVgo website. Log into your existing EVgo account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings section. Look for the option to transfer your account. Select the transfer option. You will be prompted to enter the email address of the new account holder. Make sure the new account holder has an active EVgo account. After entering the new account holder's email, double-check for accuracy. Click the Submit button to initiate the transfer process. An email confirmation will be sent to both your email and the new account holder's email. The new account holder should check their inbox for this confirmation email. They will need to follow the instructions in the email to accept the transfer. Once the new account holder accepts the transfer, the account and payment profile will be updated. You will receive a final confirmation once the transfer is complete. Review your account to ensure that all information has been correctly transferred. If there are any discrepancies, contact EVgo customer support for assistance. Keep a record of all communications regarding the transfer for your reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.